Like the back tooth, them your molars. Yeah, shaped like a fucking bulldog from the back. You know how the bulldog got that little pussy? You shaped like a bulldog's pussy. You shaped like this sound right here. Listen to this sound. That's how you shape. And those are the noises that things make when you step on them and sit on them. Let me let you listen to it one more time. High detail. That was the couch. That was the chair. That was the bike. That was your bed. It don't make no damn sense for you to be shaped like a growing infection. Your body is literally unfucking relatable. And when you got the nerve to want to eat more and more and more, why? You need to stop. That's what you should do. Stop it. Please. We praying for you, man.